Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday, and today I want to expand on one tweet from Maciej Brzezinski, who reminded of the opposite side of remote work. So these days, everyone wants to work remotely, everyone promotes the remote work. Well, not every company, but most of it. So every developer wants to work remotely from home, but there's a downside to that. I remember when I was working in a UK startup in London, and it was a big open office with like 50 people in that, and comparing that to working with clients remotely via Slack, Trello, or whatever, is while sitting in the office, you can overhear things, important things. And I want to mention two examples. So Maciej on Twitter is talking about overhearing how senior developers work. So a lot of things that junior can learn is not about tutorials, it's not about the syntax, but the context of why seniors do it this way. How do they react to things? How do they plan things? And a lot of that is from the conversations from the office. It's not directly in the messaging platform or email or conversation online. You can overhear some stuff to the context. And also from the business side, from what I remember in London, many times I overheard our managers or marketing guys explaining why they need certain feature. So for example, our client comes to our CEO, they had a conversation, and from that meeting, CEO comes to me and say, Povilas, we need this feature by tomorrow. And then I understand why. I understand that the meeting has just happened, something was expressed there, and now my CEO wants some feature because this is a priority now. And also I may have intentionally or unintentionally overhear the details of that feature, which would not be described if my CEO went down to computer and just typed in the quick description of the task. So these are just a few benefits of sitting in the same office. Of course, it comes with downside of sitting in the same office, being interrupted and not that productive maybe, and commuting and stuff. But in some cases, I do remember that sitting in the same office is beneficial. What do you think? If you work remotely, don't you feel kind of lonely or limited to opportunities to learn from your senior colleagues or context from your managers or clients by sitting at home or in your own office at your computer without working in the same office with them? Share your comments below and see you guys in other videos.